first night. We're at the trailhead, Bunny Flats. We're gonna sleep here, and then in about 30 minutes get ready and go for the summit. That's Cang on the outside, you can hear. So video log number 1, or I would say day 1. Alright, I'm gonna get a 30-minute nap so we can continue our hike. Stay tuned. The time is 12:37. We're at Bunny Flats. About to go. Here's Charles.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Doing it.
There it is, Bunny Flat trailhead. And we're about to start now. Alright, man. Let's do this. Time is 1 a.m. We're a mile and a half in. We just reached Horse Creek Camp. Got some running water here. So we are currently, we came from here to here. And we're gonna go all the way up to Lake Helen and then up to Red Banks, Misery Hill. James Mack, first horse camp caretaker. Amazing. So far the first mile and a half, it's kind of almost flat.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
The last one's gonna suck hard.
So that only means that the other miles are gonna be tough. So the first miles, if you come here, just enjoy.
This is 5 miles to the summit, right?
Yeah, it is 5 miles to the summit.
5.3 or something.
Yeah. ISX territory. 3,000 feet gain in 1 mile. That's a new one. I don't think I've done that gain in a mile before, ever. Small avalanche. Wow. One that side too. Small, tiny one there. Beautiful view. There we can see Shasta. Wow. Oh my God, I did it. I did it. Mount Shasta, you're one beast. Wow. Alright, let me put my crampons after these rocks and then we can start heading. How do you feel?
I don't know. I'm like, I guess going down's not bad.
Okay. You only start to feel better and better as we go along.
But I get to sleep. I'll let you know when it's ready.
Did we already take photo for you guys?
Yeah, I did,
Yeah, alright.
Thanks, yeah.
Alright, cool, man. You guys take care.
Yeah.
Alright, be safe. This is the longest slide of my life. I think where Charles is, that's a good spot for glissading. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fast one. This is fast. Very fast. Oh shit. Oh yeah, this is fast. This is fast. No, this is fast. Go back into it. Oh yeah, this is fast. Oh. That was fast. Ah,